Okay, here we are for another update of the Bloom Plus versus the Mars Hydro versus the Growtronics. And we're out of the germination stage and now into the seedling stage. And I've got everybody transplanted. Some didn't do as well as I'd hoped, but that's why you start way more than you need. Lots of marigolds coming. They're looking relatively good. Back there are the Rio Grande tomatoes. They're not looking too bad. Man, another 2 weeks and a lot of this stuff's going out to the greenhouse. I have 2 yellow zucchinis coming there. They're looking pretty good. Come over here now. This is the Mars Hydro. And between the Mars Hydro and the Bloom Plus, now it might be just what I've put in the various seedling cups, I'm not sure, but certainly they seem to be doing much better underneath these lights. So it's hard to tell. The Mars Hydro might be better for seedlings. We'll see in another week or so time. Then you come over here. Now this tray is much sparser, but everybody who's in here, except for some of these that didn't survive the transplant very well, but otherwise these plants are really looking healthy and happy. So, not sure. I think at the moment the winner is over here with this Mars Hydro. I mean, look at these snapdragons. They're just really enjoying life. Petunia's back there. They're doing really good. Here's some more snapdragons. So I think in the seedling stage, we might actually be doing better with the Mars Hydro. The tomatoes, those are Rio Grande. These are my bumblebees. There's my lemon boys. And then this is just some random ones. I can't remember who they were. Along with some columbines and some snaps. Those are all giveaway tomatoes. But I think at the moment it looks like the Mars Hydro is winning on the seedling. Everybody was pretty well even